Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 12th to 16th January 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in USD JPY on Friday. So as you can see, 0.64% positive move, 157.858 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a big body and a medium lower and upper wick. Currently if I talk about stochastic RSI is around 7882 level, which is indicating as a slight negative momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So here this is a 1-day chart. Here, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. If you want to learn how to trade, then you can contact me. I have already shared my WhatsApp number on the video, even as well in the description. So you can contact me if you want to learn to trade. So let's talk about the closing first. Here, important support and resistance zones are already marked during our previous week analysis. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels as such for this week. So let's talk about the closing first. So here 157.858 is the closing. The direct support is 157.776 and direct resistance is 158.003. After direct support, there is a support of 157.499 and then 157.180. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 158.204 and then 158.411. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared a discount coupon code which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from the prop firm. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I've already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. Let's now talk about my opinion in USD JPY pair for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a negative move in this end, that is 157.499 to 157.776. I'm expecting a negative closing in this end. If you're going for any long trade, then you can go for a long trade once 158.003 gets breached and a 4-hour or a 1-day candle gets closed above this level, then we can go for a long tail 150.204. If this also gets breached, then you can go for a long tail 150.411. Overall, my expectations a bit negative in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you didn't like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.